Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde qui attend. Allez ça là, même. Nous c'est Peterson, nous sommes sur gol. Je dis à la m'gal faire face carré à Gary qui m'a dem bif bataille. Avant c'est tout à tout te mettre faille. Je dis à m'gal mettre faille dans collecte ici. Aya.
Niggas know my pyroclastic flow. You niggas know my pyroclastic flow. You niggas know my pyroclastic flow. It's R-A-W, R-A-W. You looking at the Grand Wizard.
Bonjour, bonsoir fanatique moi. Non pas m'se Gary. Je dis là m'pa affronter un nouveau adversaire. Après m'te affronter Toro, je dis m'pa affronter Gol. C'est le Peterson et son Gol. M'pa affronter monsieur je dis pour me casser. Bon, Gary.
I did. Listen. You're fighting.
Stand on me.
You're fighting.
Stand on me.
When I told you to be fighting, I'm your father. Are you fighting anyhow? Eh? You're fighting anyhow. Come here, you're fighting too. Wait, where you fighting? All the boys. Who is he? What? Who is this one? What? You're fighting. What? You're fighting.
Yeah, I'm fighting what?
Ade, you're fighting with him. You know you should be against Malak. You're fighting with him.
What?
I beg you. Ade, what are you trying to do?
What?
Ade, come here. Ade, no, let's go. Come here. Close. So you're trying to fight. I see you're fighting all around. You're putting my name down. You're putting our African family down, our pride family down. Going around fighting in front of nightclubs. Going around fighting around everywhere. All this, you're making them believe that we black kids we fight around. So you're fighting everybody, making all these Irish people, making us look like we are stupid. You nearly made that giraffe killed me. If not, our first I ran away.
Dad, this is not Africa, this is Ireland.
Jesus! Who do you think you're talking to? Look outside this house. Look outside. Now, what can you see? You can't say anything. Now, let me tell you something, my son. Outside this house, that is Ireland. In this house, you're in Africa. That's my... I did... What's Listen. You're fighting.
Stand on me.
You're fighting.
Stand on me.
When I told you to be fighting, I'm your father. Are you fighting anyhow? You're fighting anyhow.